Hello, my name is Dr. Nii AI. Today in episode 6, I want to speak to every young Ghanaian who has ever felt left behind. Maybe you didn't finish school. Maybe you didn't get the best results. Maybe life took you in another direction and now you think you are not smart enough. Let me tell you the truth. AI can make you smarter than you ever imagined. You don't need to remember everything. You don't need to understand everything quickly. You don't need a big education to start learning again because AI can explain anything slowly, clearly, step by step. In English, twy, ga, ue, you choose. It's like having a personal teacher in your pocket, 24 hours a day. If you don't understand something, AI will teach you. If you make a mistake, AI will correct you. If you feel lost, AI will guide you. Your intelligence is not fixed. Your future is not fixed. And your past does not define your next step. This is Dr. Nii AI. Episode 7 is coming soon. And the future belongs to those who are willing to learn. And with AI, learning has never been easy.